I'm making this video for Dan at DD Speed Shop. Hi Dan. And hi Danny. So anyways, Dan, I don't know if you watch his channel, but he's building a Nomad from the ground up, literally from the ground up, because it's all gone into the ground, but or most of it has. And as you can see, this door is, a lot of it's gone into the ground too. But anyways, he's talking about he was talking about converting a sedan door to work on the Nomad. And so anyways, this door came off a Safari, I'm pretty sure it came off a 1957 Safari Sport Wagon, which is the Pontiac version of a Nomad. So anyways, in order to do that, you need a couple of, well, at least one part, and that part is this part right here, because it's very similar to a hardtop piece, but it's got some subtle differences, and I know that because I've got a hardtop door sitting over there in the corner. Probably can't see it, but yeah, when you put these two pieces together side by side, you can see those differences. So that is different, this piece here. And I think from what I can see from looking at pictures is this part here is the same on a sedan, this profile. So so I don't know what all else would be needed. I think maybe part of this area here where the door striker is, and maybe the top of the inside. I don't know, but I'll leave that up to Dan. Dan knows what he's got. He does have a Nomad door on the other side, so he can do a comparison to this, and hopefully you can see enough of this to do that. I'll just give you a good look at it. So Dan, I'm willing to cut the whole top of this door off, including that piece there, and this chunk here, this upright. So if you're interested, let me know. And I just want to say that I'm also looking for two-door hardtop stuff. Hey Dan, that door that you said was junk, I hope you didn't throw it away, because maybe I could use it. But anyways, that's what I got. So if you're interested, if anybody's interested, Dan gets first pick though.